So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Monday the 28th of May. Now let's just have a look at them prices and where prices may likely go. So what we have seen is near the end of the week, what we did see was we formed higher lows, bit of a double bottom there. Had prices close somewhat bullishly in relation to how prices were developing near the end of the week. Had a brief gap up here in the market, had price trade all the way up towards that 109.80 in around an area previously found some resistance. And what we have seen from there is we've seen the sell side momentum closing the gap, closing below the 109.50, trade below 109.50, tested 109.50 from below, traded all the way up towards that 109.60s, but we are seeing that continued sell side momentum here on the US dollar against Japanese yen. So if we do see the sell side momentum persist, we are then looking for prices to head down towards that 108.80. Looking for prices to progress down towards a 108.80. Successful break from which we're then looking for price to head down towards a 108.13. Now, if we do find support at the 108.80, we're looking for a bullish bounce, possibly taking us up towards that 109.50. Successful break from which possibly that 110 or that 110.20 may come into focus while being aware of the 400 period moving average sitting slightly above us. If, however, we do fail to hold the 108.80 down towards a 108.50, if we do fail to hold the 108.80, the very next major level that we are looking at is a move down towards a 108.13. Now, let's just have a look here at the higher time frame. So if we have a look here first at the monthly chart, get the scale on here correct. What we can see here on the chart is we've broken to the downside, found support in around that 104.65, from which we've had strong bullish buy side momentum. We did have the bullish momentum in May, but we've pretty much gave up all of those gains. So as indicated by this fairly large wick here to the upside, so we gave away most of the gains. We have not seen the momentum follow through. So there is a possibility of this just being a retracement, and we're seeing continued sell side momentum. So if we do see sell side momentum, which we've seen more recently near the end of the month here in May, we could see the follow through so into June and see potentially prices go on to retest the 200 period moving average here on the monthly time frame. What we'll do now is we'll have a look here at the weekly time frame, and over here on the weekly time frame we can see that after having this pretty sharp sell-off down towards our 104.65 and heading back into within this trading range, we've posted a fairly large bearish candle. We've seen a gap up in the market. We are seeing a bearish momentum, so we'll look to see if we do see that retracement all the way down towards that 107.78. This area marked out in blue, and see a bullish bounce at that level. But failing that, we're potentially looking for prices to retest the 106s, and if there is sufficient volatility, to retest our old lows, the previous swings here in the market in around that 104.65 or so. What we'll do now is we'll have a look here at the daily chart. And here on this daily chart, we can see that we do have our lows here in the 104.65. Has moved to the upside, brief pullback, strong moves to the upside, formed a bit of a bull flag, had the persistence all the way up towards that 400 period moving average. From the 400 period moving average, we have seen the sell side momentum come into the market, and at 111 had prices progress down beyond the 109.50, from which we've had a brief bullish move here to the upside, had a sell side momentum come into the market, and we do seem poised for a test of the 108.80, where we previously found a pullback in the market before seeing this move to the upside. Failing to hold that, we did mention levels that we are looking at here to the downside. Now, another area of potential interest is in around at 106.94, where we had this consolidation, beyond which there are a few levels to the downside. We'll see how prices progress, so we'll identify them as they come into focus. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.